It's been an amazing experience. I think you guys are the best. You're best in the country. And wish you good luck. May you become the best in the world.
So I think the way NPF is doing, I really feel that they really want to make some difference. So NPF team is doing a great job.
It's a fantastic team, and I think, we've achieved whatever we wanted to this year, and we hope to achieve much more next year. GMAC is happy to be associated with No Paper Forms.
I would like to congratulate Team No Paper Forms for creating such an innovative product for managing admissions.
I have been working with NPF for the last 3 years, and it is really a great experience to work with NPF.
No Paper Forms is the most advanced, robust tech stack which is ahead of its time.
It has helped us to understand what is the problem which is there and how to fix it further.
In the last 2 years, we have had tremendous success because of our partnership with No Paper Forms, NPF.
One knows exactly where the shoe pinches, and one is able to put the resources, put the effort at absolutely right places because of the information intelligence.
I personally don't believe that there is another product which covers the entire spectrum when it comes to both admissions, whether it's lead processing, all the way to admissions in the market that at least I have encountered, and that's where I think NPF has its massive advantage. As a system, I have felt that they have always ensured that there is a constant development happening. Feedback from clients have been taken into account.
The best part with NPF is it is specifically mentioned, it's specifically designed for admissions. The dashboards which are available, the kind of reports it generates, they are right, appropriate, they hit on the point.
I came in touch with No Paper Forms precisely 3.5 years, where I was introduced to some of the processes which they are aspiring to bring in the field of technological development. And I must tell you that they have really come up to the expectations of their clients.
NPF ने गलगोटियास के लिए काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा दिया है। मतलब पहले आप ये चेक नहीं कर पाते थे कि किस बच्चे ने पेमेंट करी, कब करी, क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है उसकी पेमेंट में। अब एग्जैक्टली हमें पता चल जाता है कि क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, हम बच्चे से डायरेक्टली बात कर सकते हैं। उसकी क्वेरीज जो हम अलग मेल पर आती थी वो हमें पता नहीं चल रहा था, वो हम ट्रैक कर सकते किस बच्चे ने एप्लीकेशन फिल किया है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग उसकी क्वेरीज हम सॉल्व कर सकते थे।
Traditional systems which we were using, like the spreadsheet system and the Excel files, it was not easy for a person or a manager to get entire information from those at one point, at one place. So along with that, I see that the entire life cycle of a lead is very well visible in that particular system. So I feel that it is an amazing system and you guys are doing great. I am going ahead with NPF because your people are great.
I would say No Paper Forms, the unicorn of edutech of the future.